This is your girl Renee, and the reason why I'm making this video today is because there is a special person that I am subscribed to, and I wanted to give her a fabulous birthday shout out. And I have been watching this particular person for about 2 months, and I have enjoyed her video so much. And when I watched her video this morning, she she told everybody that today was her birthday. So, and this person is phenomenal. She has such a kind spirit, such a kind heart. She's very knowledgeable, and she does a lot of research on everything that she is interested in. In this particular video, she was talking about okra. So she had like 16 different types of okra. She even had a book that she suggested for us to go and read and learn more about okra. I'm telling you, when this particular person is about to plant something, or she's about to share some kind of fabulous knowledge with you, trust and believe that she has already done the research, and she is coming to you with all the knowledge she needs in order to get you just as excited about whatever she's talking about on that particular day. So, without further ado, this fabulous person is called Momma J. And I know you guys have heard about Momma J. And she had a lot of wishes that she wanted to happen today. And one of her wishes was that she wanted to be at 500 subscribers on her B-Day, her birthday, but she did not quite make it. So I wanted my family in the garden community to, let's show Momma J some love. So Momma J, here's the love coming from Renee's Garden. You see, I got my hat. This is Momma J, and she had a glass, and she was drinking on something. And what tickled me so much about that glass is that she said you should never tell anybody what's in your glass. So Momma J, here's my glass, and I'm not going to tell anybody what's in my glass. But I am going to toast this to you, because you know what? Momma J is 64 years old, and trust and believe, Momma J don't look 64. Momma J was jamming with her birthday music, and I can only hope that when I reach that age, I can do them dance moves like Momma J was doing, and she was just having the time of her life. So, Momma J, this one is for you. Happy birthday. I hope you have many, many more birthdays. And I know you will, because you are one classy lady. But getting back to her wish, she wanted to meet or try to get to 500 subscribers by this day, because today is the day that is her birthday. So I'm asking all my garden community, all my subscribers, to go check out Momma J. And let's see if we can get her as close as we can to that 500 subscriber mark. Show her some love. Give her a thumbs up for that video. Give her, give her a beautiful birthday wish down in her comment box. And go ahead and subscribe to Momma J. I mean, going over there, if you like her content, hit that red button. I know she would really, really appreciate it, because like I said, she is such a beautiful person. You guys will not be disappointed if you go over there and check out Momma J's content. So, Momma J, I hope this will help you. I hope you will feel the love. And then when you guys go over to Momma J's channel, just tell her that Renee, Renee from Renee's Garden sent you over to give her some love and to help her celebrate her 64th birthday. To me, that is amazing. And when you see Momma J, she is so cute. She is classy and she is a hoot. And she's very God-fearing. And I love that about Momma J because Momma J reminds me of one of my aunts that just break it down to you whether you want to hear it or not. But after she gives you the knowledge, you will be much thankful for her helping you out with that little piece of knowledge, because you will carry that knowledge all the way through the rest of your life. So, Momma J, happy birthday. And as we go out and close out this video, we're going to sing the happy birthday song to you. You know, Miss Renee don't sing very well, but I'm sure going to give it a try for you, Momma J. And we're going to do it like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Momma J. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best birthday, and I hope your family is there giving you all those wonderful gifts that you've been waiting for after dinner. So, take care, Momma J. Have a good birthday. And don't forget, go on over there and show Momma J some love. Let's get her as close to 500 subscribers as we can. Come on, I know we can do it. And I know Momma J will be very appreciative. Much love, Momma J. And happy birthday to you. Keep it going over there in your garden, Momma J. I want to see all those 16 okras that you are planting over there. I can't wait to hear about the updates, because you know Renee from Renee's Garden will be checking you out. All right, take care, Momma J. See you real soon. Take care. Happy birthday to you. Keep it going over there, Momma J. Take care.